Please watch the video carefully before installation. This video includes 1. Introduction to installation tools. 2. Requirements on installation environment. 3. Requirements on installation ground. 4. Preparation works. 5. Instruction on installing functional rubber tiles. 6. Instruction on installing rubber tiles with connecting studs. 7. Instruction on installing interlocking rubber tiles. 8. Notice. Tools required: brooms, utility knives, pencils, dividers, straight edges, flexible rules, spirit levels, gloves, trowels, agitators, rubber hammers, cutting machines, etc. Better to construct on sunny weather, and air humidity should not be too high. The subgrade must be flat and smooth. The ground must be thoroughly dry after cleaning, and no ground dusting of cement mortar, no delaminating or greasy dirt on it. Remove the packing. Place tiles still for 24 hours or above for stretch so as to minimize the impact of thermal expansion and cold contraction. Do not install tiles until they are fully dry and clean, in case they are soaked in the rain during transportation or installation. Measure the site, find the central point, and draw out the center cross. Start installation from center to the sides. Pre-installation is necessary. Select out those tiles of which the tolerance is more than ±6 mm for backup. Install the tiles with the similar dimension together. For those of which the tolerance up to 10 mm, the extra part must be cut off with utility knives or cutting machine. There are horizontal and vertical patterns on the tiles. Make sure to follow the same horizontal or vertical pattern during installation. Don't mix horizontal and vertical patterns together. Try to change tiles' direction by 180 degrees to find the perfect joint, keeping the pattern unchanged. Package of adhesives: 10 kilograms barrel, including A material, transparent, B material, soil, yellow paste, and C material, small, bottled. First of all, pour all A material into the barrel and then add B material in. After that, stir them evenly with an agitator, and then put C material in and mix them. This stirred adhesive must be used up within 15 minutes. Consumption: for smooth and flat subgrade, 1 kilogram adhesives could be used in an area of 1.5 square meters. For rough subgrade, 1 kilogram adhesives is to be used in an area of 1 square meter. Paint the adhesive on both the ground and the back of the tiles evenly with the 3 mm depth tooth scraper. Put on tiles while painting the adhesives, and paint on an area no more than 2 square meters each time. For indoor, tiles are suggested to be laid tightened and compact. For outdoor application, it is a must to leave 1 to 2 mm gaps between tiles for expansion joint. One staff sticks tiles onto the floor standing on the installed tiles, but no stepping around with shoes on, so as to avoid smearing the surface. On the verge of indoor walls or places of fixed objects, tiles must be cut according to the actual situation. The size of cut tiles should be about 3 mm more than that of actual measure. A rubber hammer is required to squeeze tiles in gently. If there are some objects that cannot be removed away in the site, tiles need to be cut according to the shape of the objects before installation. Use heavy objects or unpaved tiles to stress on the joints of tiles for 12 hours or so. Clean the site after installation. Tiles can be put into use after 48 hours. Instruction on installing functional rubber tiles. The preparation and environmental requirement are the same as regular tiles. Count the tiles to see if it is the quantity as ordered. Measure the installation site to check if the size is the same as shown in the drawing, and check if the designs on the tiles are exact the same as in the design renderings, and then draw up the installation plan. On the basis of the design renderings, install the tiles one by one according to the label number on tiles to ensure the accuracy and completeness of the designs. Don't leave joint gap between tiles, and make sure that the joint lines are straight. Do not scratch the surface of tiles during installation. Instruction on installing rubber tiles with connecting studs. The preparation and environmental requirement are the same as regular tiles. 2 nail studs are used at the verge of site, 4 nails used in the middle. Connecting studs with the height of 15 mm are suitable for 20 to 30 mm thick rubber tiles, while 20 mm high connection studs are for 35 to 50 mm thick rubber tiles. If the tile and stud don't match very well, hold the stud and try to shake the tile gently until they are fully jointed. Size 500 by 500 mm tiles may apply cross or alignment installation, while size 1000 by 1000 mm tiles can only do alignment installation. Instruction on installing interlocking rubber tiles. The preparation and environmental requirement are the same as regular tiles. Measure the site and make plan for the rectangular area. Buckle each interlocking part with one another and press to make sure they are fully jointed. Don't leave joint gap between tiles. Do not scratch the surface of tiles during installation. Notice: for indoor application, adhesive is not a must in below occasion. Install over the entire site with the thickness of 30 mm rubber tiles or above. In this case, tiles could be restricted and limited in the certain area by the surrounding walls. Interlocking tiles or tiles with connecting studs. For outdoor application, it is a must to install rubber tiles with adhesives, and CATY brand is a good choice. For slopes in outdoor sites, the upper and lower slope of the junction can be cut into a trapezoid. Chamfering the lower placed tile at the bottom will make the joint effect better. Please follow their instruction if other brands of adhesives or glues are applied. Thanks for watching.